Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to convert a value to a safe integer using JavaScript. This is useful to ensure numbers do not exceed JavaScript's safe integer limits. Let's get started. In JavaScript, numbers beyond a certain range lose precision. Our goal is to safely convert any value into a valid integer while maintaining accuracy. This function first ensures the number stays within safe integer limits using Math.max and Math.min. Then, it rounds to the nearest integer. Here's how it works. The function first limits the range, then rounds the number, ensuring it falls within JavaScript's safe integer limits. Here are a few examples. The function correctly rounds numbers and constrains them within safe integer limits, preventing precision errors. Safe integer conversion is crucial in many applications, including finance, databases, and cryptography, where precision is essential. This approach guarantees that numbers remain accurate and within the safe limits, making calculations and data handling much more reliable. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. See you in the next one.